you will see how we can create a series in Microsoft Excel very easily. Suppose we want to create a series like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this way till like 20. Okay, so to do this type of series in Excel, we just need to create the first two numbers in the Excel, and based on that we can easily create the series very easily. So let's go to the Excel application. Once we have to open on Excel application, and then after that we have to come to any cell. Suppose for the first number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this series, the first two numbers are like 1 and 2. So we need to type those two numbers for the cells. So here we are typing these two numbers 1 and 2. So basically what type of series we are looking for? We are looking a series which has increment like 1. So for the first number of this series is 1, the second number is 2, third number 3, in this way. So to create this series, basically after typing these two numbers into the cell, we need to select the cells. Then after that we need to move our cursor to the end of this selected cells, and we will see the cursor, it is changing like plus. Once it is plus, then we have to click here and we have to hold and we have to drag till we want to make the series. Suppose we want to make the series till number 20, so we have to release the cursor once we reach the 20. So basically we just hold the plus sign and we are dragging till 20 because we want to make the series till 20. And once we drag like this, we will find that this type of blue, not blue, basically green type of border will be appeared, and then we have to release the cursor. Once we release the cursor, we will see the series is formed. That means the series starts with 1 and it ends till 20 because we release here. If we want to create a long series, we can also drag the same way. In this way we can easily create the series. For this series, basically there is a difference like 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4. That means there is a gap between 1 for each two numbers. In this way, if we want to create a series where there will be like 4 numbers gap, like 1, 5, 10, like this way, we can also do that. For this case also, we need to create the first two numbers of this series. So I'm going to type, for example, the first number is 1 and the second number is 5. That means it will increment 4 each time. Okay, so 1, 5, then it will be 10, like that. Okay, so to create this series, we also need to do the same thing. We have to select these two cells, and then after that we need to move our cursor at the end of this cell. Then we have to click here and hold our cursor, and then we need to drag till we increment the series. Suppose we want to increment the series till 50 or 100, for example 100. So if we drag our cursor, we will see that it is incrementing until it is going like this, 27, 101, for example, like that. And then we have to release it. Then we will see that it is increasing like this way, like 1, 5, 9, 15, 17, like this way. Here in this case, we created this series like each one column, but it is incrementing row, one row, second row, third row, in this way. If you want to increment, or if you want to create a series like this into x-axis, like x-axis along x-axis, we can also do that. For this case, we need to type in this way, like 1, then 2. This is the same series, basically not same, like this type of series we are creating. Previously we created for one row, but now we'll create it like easily like this way, with one row but multiple column, holding multiple column. That means along with x-axis. So once we select these two number, basically if we move our cursor at the end, we'll see the plus sign again, it is appearing, and then we have to click here, hold it, and then we have to drag till we need the series. Suppose we need to end the series like 20. So like this way we can actually do 19 or 19 and then 20. So basically I need another on 20. So in this way we can also create the series like y-axis and through x-axis. Similar way, if we want to create this type of series like 1, 5, like that, or 10, 20, like this, we can also do that. For example, we want to create a series like 10, 20, like this way. So we can also type 10 and then we can type 20. Once we type these two numbers, basically we need to select those two numbers, and then we have to move our cursor at the end of the last data, and then the plus sign will be appeared. When the plus sign is appeared, then we need to click here and we need to drag till we need the series. Suppose we want to create the series till like this. and it is increasing like this way. So 10, 20, 30, 40, in this way it is increasing. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily create a series of number in Excel very easily. Thank you guys for watching the video.